Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing with you 21 of my favorite free patterns and where to find them. There are thousands of free patterns on the internet, it just takes some work to hunt them all down. I guarantee you will see something you'll want to make. Most of these projects are quick and easy to work up and beginner friendly, requiring little to no sewing. I will also be sharing the amount of time each project took me to complete and what I think the difficulty level is. These free crochet patterns can be found on Instagram, YouTube, Ribbler, and more. All patterns will be linked in the description for you to check out. Let's get started. First on this list is this adorable axolotl pattern by Loretta's Loops. This is a no-sew pattern that I was able to work up in about an hour. Difficulty level for this is intermediate just because crocheting on the side of the body is pretty difficult to do, especially for beginners. The pattern can be found on Instagram and is also available on Ribbler. Next is this super cute cloud pattern by Chibi's Cuties on Ribbler. This is also no-sew and only takes 30 minutes to make. This is one of my market bestsellers and are so fun to make. This pattern is super easy and is definitely recommended for beginners. Number 3 on my list is this newborn guinea pigs pattern by capybara. This is a simple yet realistic pattern that works up in under an hour. I like to batch make these with scrap yarn and there are so many color combinations included in the pattern. Difficulty level for this is beginner, but there is a bit of sewing required. You can find the pattern on Ravelry for download. Next is Mushroom Poppets by Cable and Canvas on YouTube. This is a great market item and works up in around 45 minutes. No sewing is required except for the details on the mushroom. These also make great keychains. Number 5 on my list are these animal clips. This is technically a 4-in-1 pattern and turn out so cute. I made the bear one, and if you like hair accessories, this is the pattern for you. I always get compliments when I wear it out, it's just so cute. This pattern requires a few more materials aside from the usual hook and yarn, so make sure you have those before you start. Number 6 is this kitty souffle pancake pattern by Y Crochets. This is such a unique and cute pattern that works up in around an hour. Make sure to make a lot of these with different facial expressions. Next on my list is a cute cuttlefish pattern by Crochet by Elle. This pattern is pretty much no-sew and works up in about an hour. You can make these in any color and these are great for markets. This pattern is also great for beginners. Number 8 on my list is a panda tissue box holder. If you love pandas, and who doesn't, this is the project for you. I love it when a project is both useful and cute. The bamboo part is cute, but I think it looks fine without it as well. This pattern does take a little longer, but I think it's definitely worth it. The next project I have for you is this jellycat inspired bunny by My Home Crochets. Jellycats have been super popular this year and for a good reason. They're super cute. Now you can make a jellycat bunny of your own. This project takes a little over an hour as there is some sewing involved, but the result is super cute. Number 10 is one of my favorites, this penguin pattern by Cupboard Crochets. I love making this pattern in different colors with different yarn weights and the result is always super cute. Even better, this is a no-sew pattern and works up in around 45 minutes. My penguins always do really well at markets. Number 11 is a no-sew beginner-friendly budgie by me. This budgie works up in under an hour and you can make it in any color you like. These are awesome for markets and also make great gifts for your bird-loving friends. Next on my list is a whale pouch by ETM's Crochet. This is another useful and cute project, perfect for holding things like chapstick and earbuds. I keep mine attached to my tote bag and it always gets many compliments. This project requires some more attention to detail, but ETM explains it so well that I think beginners could make this. Number 13 is a simple frog pattern by Hatch Shenanigans. This is a super beginner-friendly pattern and works up in 30 minutes. I love this pattern because it is great for markets and you can make so many of them in different sizes. Next is this elephant pattern by MyUniverse64 on Instagram. I believe there's also a YouTube tutorial and I'll link both in the description. This is a great no-sew pattern for markets and you can make it in any color. Fifteenth on my list is this cute heart granny skirt pattern by Viv Crochets. It's a video tutorial and also a blog post, and the pattern is so fun to make. Each square takes only around 20 minutes for me. If you are a beginner, make sure you learn double and triple stitches before starting this one. Next is this ice cream pattern by iDoot on Ribbler. This pattern is so cute and works up in under 30 minutes and you can make so many flavors of ice cream. This is a great project for beginners and since it is no-sew, it's great for markets. Number 17 is this adorable cat paw chair cover by Sarah Zimmerman on Yarnspirations. This is such a genius pattern and you can turn your kitchen chairs into cat paws. How cute is that? It's a free to download PDF and I'm sure you'll want to make some for each chair in the house once you're done. Next is this amazing pompompurin and cinnamonroll pattern by Ayuli Crochets. I couldn't believe this was free. The plushies are so cute. This is a 2-in-1 pattern and they both take a little over an hour to work up due to the sewing, but it is so worth it. If you are a fan of Sanrio, this is the perfect pattern for you. Nineteenth on my list is this capybara pattern by Crafter Frog. Capybaras have been super popular lately and this pattern captures their cuteness perfectly. This project is low sew and takes under an hour to finish and I would recommend it for beginners as well. Number 20 is another cute and useful project, a crochet mini basket by Stitchberry. This is a video tutorial and also a blog post, and this basket is perfect for decorating your desk. I like to combine 2 medium weight yarns to make colorful chunky baskets. This is the perfect beginner friendly project as well. Last but not least is this super cute bunny dango project that comes in 2 different shapes. This is such a cute project and makes a great gift for friends. I really like dusting them with blush. I think it looks so cute. This is a no-sew beginner friendly project that you can find on Ribbler. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found a few new crochet patterns you would like to try. Comment below which one was your favorite. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!